Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of a teardown. This is a battery module system that I got from Battery Hookup. They did not send it, I purchased it. I need to salvage a few cells for a project upcoming video. It should be next in the queue. And so I just thought tear it apart, see how easy it is, see how hard it is, give you guys some info in case you want to purchase it. And so these screws here, I only see 4. And according to the website, it says they're T20, and I agree. Let's crack this open. All right, we got the all 4 screws taken out, and it seems like this is just apart. There is a seal. You can cut that. No more seals, no way. Alright, looks like a little plastic divider, another divider. Whole cell module should just come out. It must be. I don't feel another screw hole. Well, just takes a little bit of force. Alright, so what do we have here? Looks like we have the BMS. I have no need for that. But like they said on their website, this is probably going to be hit miss for which ones are good. So let's keep taking it apart. Let's take off this heat shrink. Okay. We've got a 3-cell 3S configuration. And this enclosure is pretty nice. It might be reusable. Looks like the BMS is attached with screws. Let's take a little bit of precaution here and let's cut these wires. Just take the BMS completely out of play. And be careful also with cutting wires, especially because the BMS is a long line of time. Get your cleaning wires, you don't want them pretty short. Alright, let's take off the BMS and let's see how we can crack open this case. Alright, BMS comes off quite nicely. And it looks like the 2 halves are connected by that same Torx. We got a screw here, and we have a screw here. So let's take those out. Alright, can't seem to get that screw out normally, so let's just use a Dremel tool. There you go. Just like I don't have to create short, because I'm not going to expect it to work. This kind of short, just a bad day. Alright, so let me just try out this section here and see if I can roll this back. There we go, going slow. It's going pretty good. At least the bottom rows and over the top row. It's pretty clean, it's not too bad. Have those. Take the just go into these. Get a little powder here. Alright, let's do. Alright, one more strip. Okay. There we go. That was pretty straightforward. So to review real quick, Torx 20 screws for here, and then also on the sides here. One of these would not unscrew, so I just took a Dremel tool, cut it in half, and then once I removed all the leads here, there you go. 27 loose batteries. And so what I'm going to do is I have a plan to use a few of these for a project, and so I'm going to start throwing them in my charger. And so if you want to check back in the description, I'll put in all the cell levels that I got. Now, but no matter how many I get that are good or bad, just remember that these are salvage cells, and they pretty much said on their website that it's going to be hit or miss. So a lot of these may not charge at all. Some of these will be fine. And so I'll, again, update the description with what I find. And so that'll do it for this video, and I look forward to showing you what we're going to do with these. Just one more note on these. I will link them in the description, and you can get a 10% discount from your purchase from them using my coupon code TECH, and I'll have all that in the description as well. And so enjoy, and you guys have a great day.